to sell.
Why do you whisper? Wait.
No, don't.
Wait. Hey, he's a thief. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How can I help you?
I have a gold.
Okay.
I want to sell.
Why do you whisper? Why do you whisper? You can tell me nicely. You have a gold, you want to sell it, right?
Yes, I have a gold. I want to sell.
Okay. Show me.
Gold.
Show me. Okay. I understand. Stop, okay? Is it original?
Yes, 100% original.
Where is it from?
It's mine.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Why do you want to sell it?
I need money. That's why I want to sell.
Wait. I don't think you are a genuine seller.
I'm a genuine seller. It's my wife's. It's my wife's.
Oh my God! Wow! It's your wife's?
Yes.
All right. Let me call the police, please.
Why?
Huh?
Why police?
Okay.
Police? Why?
Because I don't think you are a genuine seller.
I'm a genuine seller.
No, I think you are a thief.
You need gold. I need money. Just take the gold and give me money.
Sorry, I need to check it out. I need to check.
No need to check. I don't want to sell my
No,
gold.
you have to sell it. You came here, you have to sell it.
Okay, check it.
Okay, well, just a minute. Hello, is this police stations? Oh, there is a man in my shop. It seems like he's a thief. I think he has stolen some gold from somewhere. Okay, I think it seems like he's a thief. Okay. I'll hold him somehow. Hey man, wait.
I don't know.
Wait. Hey, he's a thief. Sir, do you want to sell gold? I have a gold. I want to sell. Well, I have a gold.
I have a gold.
I want to. Is it that good?
I want to sell. Oh, it's
I have a gold. Why do you whisper? You can tell it nicely.
I have a gold.
Back there, okay?
I want to sell.
So you can tell it nicely. Why do you whisper? Oh. I have a gold. Why do you whisper? Okay.
I have a gold. I want to sell.
আবার ডাক দে
I want to sell.
What do you whisper? থাপড়টা মারতে দিলি না তো মারতে দে I'll catch him. Hey, wait. তুই বলবি no need money বলে লাভ দিয়ে চলে যাবি দৌড় ওদিকে যাবি
ধরে রাখবেন।
হ্যাঁ don't need money বলে দৌড় দিবি ওকে এটা হচ্ছে না দেখি আবার যা না তুই স্পিড দেয় তোর হাতে না আমি ঢুকছি তুই টান দে টানাটানি কর no I don't need money বলে চলে যাবি আবার দেখি ধরি